Hey there, clean freaks! Ready to upgrade your mop game? Join us on a journey through the squeaky clean world of Best Spin Mops 2024. Let's discover the warmth of spotless floors together. So I have listed my top picks for the best spin mops that are making waves this year. Trust me, these are not your grandma's old mops. We're talking about the real MVPs of cleaning here. Imagine breezy cleaning, no mess, and a little happy dance as those tricky stains finally give up. Whether you're a cleaning expert or just diving into the domestic scene, these spin mops are the real game changers. Now, I won't keep you in suspense. The links to find the best prices on all the products mentioned in this video will be in the description below. So buckle up, hit that subscribe button, and let's dive into the world of clean living together. Number 5. Libman Tomato. For best reliable and straightforward floor cleaning solution, this is the one I recommend the most. Say goodbye to soggy hands with this steel rod-handled wonder. The microfiber mop heads, yep, you get two, make swapping out for a fresh, clean mop a breeze, tackling even the toughest messes. Now, check out the spin technology. Release the lever, give the handle a push, and watch excess water vanish from the mop head. The more oomph you put into it, the drier that mop head gets. The improved mop bucket holds a hopping 2 gallons and comes with a nifty pour spout. No more sloshing dirty water as you move around. They've got that covered. Worried about cleanup? Fear not. The microfiber heads are machine washable. Toss them in warm, soapy water, lay them flat to dry, and voila! Just remember, no machine drying, bleaching, or fabric softener. Okay. Handle length? A cool 53 inches when fully extended. Microfiber head diameter? A generous 14 inches. Number 4. simpli-magic 79117. This is my top choice for the best efficient cleanup. Check this out. A durable stainless steel wringer basket. This means it's built to last. The stainless steel mop handle? Solid, sturdy, and dependable. Now what sets this one apart? A built-in and removable soap dispenser. No fuss, easy to fill, keeping your cleaning game on point. Plus, it's got a sliding handle and wheels on the bottom of the bucket. No heavy lifting needed. Move from room to room effortlessly. And the bonus? You get 3 multicolor microfiber mop heads included. Easy swaps for a fresh clean whenever you need it. Number 3. Hurricane Spin Mop. When it comes to the best powerful yet practical cleaning companion, this is my top choice. Say goodbye to touching grimy mop heads and forget about getting down on your hands and knees. The Hurricane spins away germ-filled dirty water, no sweat. It's a 2-in-1 deal, tackling spills of soda, coffee grinds, sugar, or ketchup in just one pass. The spinning microfiber mop heads? Absolute game changers. They grab and hold onto liquid and messes without pushing them around. Plus, they lay flat, so no more bending over or moving furniture. A real back saver. What's cool? It gets into every nook and cranny, reaching against baseboards, behind the toilet, and other tricky spots your old sponge mop can't touch. No streaks, no scratches, just smooth cleaning. Perfect for hard surfaces like tile, wood, laminate, you name it. Number 2. Bissell Spin Wave. This stands out as my top pick for the best electric spin mop. What's cool about this one? It comes with a touch display, making your cleaning game a breeze. And it's specifically designed for hard floors. Here's a feature I recommend, the cordless freedom. An 18-volt lithium-ion battery gives you a decent 20 minutes of cordless runtime. No more tripping over cords. The spinning mop pads, absolute game changers. They rotate to restore your floor's natural shine, effortlessly handling tough, sticky messes on wood, tile, linoleum, and other sealed hard floors. Control is in your hands with the on-demand spray. Decide how much solution goes on the floor while you clean. And the bonus? It's not just the mop. It's a package with 2 soft touch pads, 2 scrubby pads, and 2 8 ounces. Trial size PET multi-surface formulas. Number 1. O-cedar Spin Mop. Finally, here's my top pick for the best overall. Hey, here's the deal. There's this foot-activated pedal and built-in wringer, making your life easier with hands-free wringing and controlled water release. Seriously, no mess, no fuss. Check this out. A foot-activated pedal and built-in wringer giving you hands-free wringing and controlled water release. No mess, no fuss. The 3D microfiber mop strings, super handy. They pick up dirt, dust, hair, and grime on all hard floor surfaces, digging deep into grooves for a thorough clean. What's cool? The machine washable and reusable mop head refill. Easy maintenance, toss it in the wash and you're good to go. Now, here's a feature I recommend, the unique triangle-shaped mop and pivoting handle. Quick and easy mopping in corners and under furniture, no spot left untouched. And the bonus? It's versatile, great for cleaning hardwood, tile, laminate, vinyl, and more. All right, cleaning champs, that wraps up our chat on the best spin mops for 2024. If you're eyeing a game changer for your cleaning routine, you've got some solid options to consider. Don't forget to check out the links in the description for the latest prices. We've got your back for the best deals. If this spintastic info helped you out, give us a thumbs up. Let's spread the cleanliness love. Share these tips with your fellow anglers in the cleaning squad and make their floors clean too. And of course, don't miss out on future cleaning wisdom. Hit that subscribe button and bell icon to stay in the loop with all our latest content, tips, and reviews. Until next time, happy mopping, my friends.